Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of chemistry to uncover the mysteries of covalent bonds. We'll chat about different types of these bonds, figure out how they're created, peek into two cool theories that explain them, and even see where they pop up in our everyday lives. Types of covalent bonds. Alright, so picture this: atoms are like tiny magnets, and when they get close, they can't resist sharing electrons. This sharing business leads to two main types of covalent bonds: the sharing is caring bond, where electrons are split equally, nonpolar, and the I'll share, but I'll keep a bit bond, where electrons aren't shared evenly, polar. How do they form? Let's say atoms are at a party, and they want to become friends. To make that happen, they get really close and start mingling. When their outer electron clouds overlap, they start sharing electrons, forming a bond. The stronger the bond depends on how much one atom hogs the electrons compared to the other. Valence bond theory. Now, imagine atoms as people with different dance moves. Valence bond theory says that when they dance together, their moves, called atomic orbitals, overlap to create a new, combined dance. This new dance is their covalent bond. It's like creating something new by blending two distinct things. Molecular orbital theory. Alright, next up is the molecular orbital theory. Think of atoms as puzzle pieces. When they come close, their electron puzzles combine to make new puzzles. These are called molecular orbitals. Some puzzles fit perfectly and make stronger bonds, bonding orbitals, while others fit weirdly and don't help the bond, anti-bonding orbitals. It's like teamwork: some help, some don't. Where do covalent bonds hang out? Covalent bonds aren't just chemical magic, they're practical too. They're the glue of life in biology, holding together DNA, proteins, and more. And they're the architects of materials we use, like plastics and ceramics. Ever heard of silicon chips? Covalent bonds are the secret sauce behind them, making our electronics tick. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the scoop on covalent bonds. They're the friendship bracelets of atoms, formed through sharing, dancing, and teamwork. They shape our world, from the molecules in our bodies to the tech we rely on. Remember, every time you marvel at your smartphone or even take a breath, covalent bonds are working their magic behind the scenes. Stay curious.